Warning: this fruit might make you feel too good. Ever wondered if there's a fruit that tastes like candy but works like a health potion? Meet strawberries, nature's way of saying, here's something delicious. Now go be healthy. The vitamin C powerhouse. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C more than an orange per gram. That means they boost your immune system like a natural shield. They help your body fight off colds, flu, and other nasty invaders. Plus, vitamin C is key to glowing skin and strong hair. It also helps your body absorb iron, keeping you energized. Feeling tired all the time? Maybe you need more strawberries in your life. They're like nature's way of saying, here, have some extra health points. So grab a handful and power up your immunity. A friend to your heart, literally. Strawberries are your heart's best friend. And no, not just romantically. They lower bad cholesterol and help control blood pressure. That means your heart gets to work smoothly without stress. The antioxidants in strawberries protect your arteries from damage. More strawberries equals fewer chances of a heart attack or stroke. It's like giving your heart a relaxing spa day every day. So if you love your heart, show it some strawberry love. After all, a happy heart makes a happy life. Natural sugar. No sugar crash. Strawberries taste super sweet, but won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster. They have natural sugars balanced with fiber, keeping your energy steady. No sugar spikes, no crash, just a smooth and happy mood. That's why they're perfect for diabetics and sweet tooth lovers alike. And like candy, they won't make you regret your life choices. So next time you crave something sweet, reach for strawberries. Your body will thank you, and your dentist might send you a thank you note. Sweet, delicious, and guilt-free. What more could you ask for? Good for pregnant women. Strawberries are a rich source of a B vitamin, called folate, that is essential for pregnant women or those who are trying to conceive. Folate helps in the development of the baby's brain, skull, and spinal cord and prevents birth defects. You get about 40 micrograms of folate from a cup of strawberries. The secret to youthful skin. Want to look younger without expensive creams and treatments? Strawberries are packed with antioxidants that fight aging. They help prevent wrinkles, dark spots, and dull skin. Vitamin C boosts collagen, keeping your skin firm and fresh. They also protect against UV damage like sunscreen in fruit form. Some even use strawberries as a DIY face mask. Yes, really. Eat them, wear them, enjoy them. Your skin will glow either way. So say hello to strawberries and goodbye to aging signs. Your gut will thank you. Strawberries are rich in fiber, and your gut loves fiber. Fiber keeps things moving, preventing constipation and bloating. A healthy gut means better digestion and more nutrient absorption. Good digestion equals more energy and fewer stomach issues. Strawberries also feed good bacteria, keeping your gut happy. No more embarrassing stomach noises in quiet rooms. They help with weight management by keeping you full longer. So if your gut could talk, it would beg for more strawberries. Keeps your eyes healthy. The strong antioxidants in strawberries have been shown to prevent cataracts, a condition where the lens of the eyes cloud over and could lead to blindness if not treated. The vitamin C protects eyes from free radical damage that can damage the lens and also keeps the cornea and retina healthy. The antioxidants also prevent macular degeneration and other eye diseases. The brain booster. Strawberries don't just taste good, they make you smarter. They contain anthocyanins, which improve memory and focus. Eating them regularly may even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. They fight brain fog, so you remember why you walked into a room. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who forgets their keys daily. Think of them as brain fuel that also happens to be delicious. Better focus, sharper thinking, and a tastier way to study. So snack on strawberries and give your brain a juicy upgrade. Low in calories, high in fun. Strawberries are mostly water, so they're super low in calories. You can eat a whole bowl without feeling guilty. Meanwhile, one slice of cake makes your jeans feel tighter. They're the perfect weight loss snack that doesn't feel like punishment. Pair them with yogurt, oatmeal, or just eat them plain. Every bite is refreshing, hydrating, and packed with nutrients. And unlike boring diet food, they actually taste amazing. So why suffer when you can snack on strawberries? Strawberries aren't just delicious. They're little health miracles. They boost immunity, brain power, heart health, and digestion. They're sweet, refreshing, and naturally low in calories. Your skin, gut, and energy levels will all thank you. Now that you know their superpowers, will you eat more? If you love strawberries, hit like and comment with A. And don't forget to share this with your fellow strawberry lovers, because good health should always be this sweet.